Okay, so on this one, I thought on the nose they were very similar. Taste wise, not a lot of differences to me. I thought I got a little on A. I had some notes of maybe a little cinnamon, a little bitter, almost like a little bolder. And with B though, I thought the alcohol content might be a little stronger, a little higher. I got a few notes of like toast, like buttered toast, very buttery. But overall, they were very, very similar. So it was a really tough one. But I'm gonna have to go with A on this one.
I thought both of these bourbons were really good. Both are very approachable. With A, I found some warm spices, cinnamon, charred brown sugar. It was a little flat right at the lingering finish, flattened out a little bit. But in the beginning, I thought that I'm sorry. On B, I found it to be a little lighter with less alcohol content. It tasted like, it reminded me of a warm pie crust with a lingering creamy finish. And overall, I chose B.
So I thought they both nosed very smooth. On A, I thought had a little sweeter smell, sweeter taste, sweeter finish. However, on B, I thought it had a real kind of stiff finish. Was definitely hotter on the alcohol content, so I went B.
This was tough, even for me. But for me, I'd have to go with B.
Okay, for me, I think out of all the ones we've done so far, this was the closest. I honestly had trouble distinguishing much between the two. I gave the slight edge on the nose to A because it just had a little bit of a sweeter, just a touch more depth to it. Both on the taste to me were a little bit nutty. They both had the same spice level to me, to where it like burned your tongue, kind of went through the nose with spice. I thought B, and this is like by a pubic hair, had like a touch more balance to it, a little bit more sweetness to it. So I went just by a slight margin. If you gave me 10 more seconds, I might have changed my mind. I went with B.
Leave that in the